tried it, and today I'm back at it again, but rather than with a hair product review, I'm going to be talking about a beard product review. And this is a beard product that I've seen pop up quite a bit, especially since I've been looking through Amazon and Facebook. There's always ads popping up, so it's been on my radar for a long time. Having just moved to Cleveland, I've noticed that my facial hair has been really dry and kind of like a lot more coarse than I'm used to. So basically, I thought it was the perfect time to try this product and put it to the test, so to speak, and that is the Bossman brand beard jelly. Now, what makes this stuff unique and what its claim is that, and the reason why it's better than normal beard oil, is that because this is a thicker jelly-like substance, that it's going to lock the moisture into your beard. Now, if you're a bearded man or woman, you're no stranger to beard oil and beard balm. Typically what this does is, because normally when you're putting beard product in, what you'll do is you'll put in beard oil, and if you have a bigger, thicker beard or a coarser beard, you'll put a balm over the top of it to kind of lock the beard oil in. But if you just apply beard oil, what you'll notice is if you're out in the elements, even with the beard balm on there, that your hair will start to dry out, your facial hair will start to dry out a little bit more, depending on the oil, depending on the balm, and that towards the end of the day, the beard oil and beard balm might dissipate, depending. What this product's claim is that you can get rid of the beard oil and the beard balm, although you can use this with the beard balm too to lock it in even more. But what this is claiming is that you can use this by itself and it'll lock the moisture into your beard and keep your beard nourished throughout the day. So let's just get right into it. First and foremost, I like the label on it. I'm not too sure about the rooster, but I mean, you know, there's all these different types of beard brands constantly popping up, so you got to find some sort of mascot or something. I'm pretty neutral to it. It's a 4-ounce bottle, and this is one thing they do say is that because you're not going to be using as much of this beard jelly, that basically what's going to happen is, because this is 4 ounces, it's going to last twice as long as a normal beard oil. And then of course it has the scent, well, yeah, the scent right here, and there'll be a color corresponding with the scent. Mine, I have Naked, but I've also tried some of the other scents. And then the ingredients are shea butter, avocado oil, cocoa seed butter, soybean oil, beeswax, castor seed oil, sunflower seed oil. This says apply evenly in the beard, comb it in for best results, apply after washing with the Beardman or the Bossman conditioner, and then you can use the balm over the top of it if you'd like. For me, because I'm doing kind of a mental health job, I can't have like a really big outrageous beard like I used to, so for me I just kind of have a smaller one. I've had a small one for a while, so you don't need to use a lot of this stuff. You only need to use almost like a dime size for a beard my size, but of course bigger beards you might have to use more. The scents on this are Naked, which you can only get on their site, and then there's, and I'm looking over at a little list over there, there's Hammer, Magic, Stagecoach, and then Gold. Now, I've tried Gold and Stagecoach, and I've tried the Naked. The reason I got the Naked is because I'm always trying different types of pomades, and I've noticed when you have a scent in your beard and a scent in your hair, it's gonna clash. Also, the Naked scent is just, you know, I've never really had many beard products that just don't have a scent, so whenever there is one offered, I'll get the Naked one. The Stagecoach is kind of like a sweet, almost bourbon-y scent. It smells nice, and you know, it's not that bad. The scents last, the one thing I will say, the scents last a really long time, and I would say they're on the stronger side. Not super intense, but definitely if you have a sensitivity to smell, you're not going to want to have that up near your nose. Some of them are stronger than others, but to me, I felt like the Stagecoach wasn't that bad. The Gold was pretty strong, and that's kind of like a, I mean, it's the typical, every beard company has like a pine or like a tree scented one, so it's just kind of like a foresty scented one. It's not bad, it's not good, it's just a normal forest scent. But those are the two I've tried. I haven't tried Magic or Hammer. You can let me know if you have tried them, but I went with the Naked. So with this stuff, you just have to put a little bit, and you'll see it comes out pretty thick. I put in about this much for my beard. Like I said, about a dime size will do. You just break it down in your hands, and then what I do is massage upwards like this from the bottom, get in my mustache, of course, and then just rub it in. You can kind of, I like to do it upwards, mainly because after I get it all applied in to my beard like this, and it looks all poofy and kind of crazy, what I'll do is I'll grab a beard brush, I got a Zeus boar hair one, and I'll comb it down, all of it, all the way down, so that the product is applied evenly throughout my whole entire beard. And then if you like to add some natural poof, you can get the wide side of a comb. I wouldn't say the thin side for sure, but the wide side. You can poof it up on the bottom and then just slightly rub it through like this. And there you go. You got your product in there and your beard looks halfway decent as well. One thing, so applying it, it doesn't feel like coarse. It doesn't feel bad when you're applying it. It doesn't feel too greasy. Although when you get it in your mouth, you'll definitely want to wipe it off. If you're going to line your beard up, if you use a straight razor, which I do, you can apply this stuff and then use the jelly as a straight razor, like buffer, so to speak, a shave oil, and it works really well. So what are my overall thoughts on the Bossman beard jelly? Well, I think it works good. Surprisingly, really, really good. After using this just once, my beard felt 1,000 times better. And if you pair it with the beard balm, it'll keep the moisture in all day long. I feel like if you just use this by yourself, you're out in the elements, the wind, you're working hard or whatever, it'll start to taper off towards the end of the day. The scent stays strong for most of the day, which is really nice. But the nourishing feeling tapers off at the end of the day, which is fine because I mean, usually that's when I take my showers when I get off work and stuff, and so it works out well for me overall. I think it stays true to its claims. I think it works really well, and my beard's never felt softer, especially after being in Cleveland where it's dry and getting hit with wind and snow all the time. So I can definitely recommend this. If I had to give this a rating, I would definitely give this a 5 out of 5. I think this is perfect. It has a bunch of scent options. It has a no scent option, and it just works really, really well. It nourishes your beard. It stays in for the majority of the day, and it leaves your beard feeling really soft and manageable. Now, as a bonus review, I wanted to talk about some of the products in the Reload, which you can get, the Reload package, which you can get on their website. One thing I will say, if you order from their website, you can only get the Naked brand stuff on their website. They only have the scents on Amazon. The difference between their website and Amazon, if you don't have patience, Amazon, you can get most of their stuff in 2 days. For ordering through their website, it takes about a week and a half to 2 weeks depending, which isn't bad. I have patience, I can wait. But if you wanted something right away, if you wanted the Naked stuff right away, as of right now, I haven't seen it on Amazon. I hope they do put it on Amazon though. Anyways, I wanted to talk about the relaxing beard balm. You get 2 ounces, and the set I bought came with the relaxing beard balm. It's called the Reload on there, the beard jelly, the beard conditioner, and then it comes with 2 of the beard, hair, and body soaps. The beard balm, I would say, and I'm just going to do this quickly, I would say the beard balm, it says it's a relaxing beard balm. That's what it feels like. It comes off on the lighter side, but you can put it on after you put the jelly on. It locks in the moisture, and this definitely comes off more as a conditioning, nourishing, make your hair feel really, really soft beard balm, as it does more than a like my flyaways are being tamed and this helps my crazy curly beard get straight. Doesn't feel like that to me, but it does feel really conditioning and really nice in the beard, so I can definitely recommend this as well. The conditioner, this says that you use it twice a week, and that afterwards you're supposed to use the beard balm, or the beard jelly, and then the beard balm. There's nothing really too much that I have to say about this. It works well. I feel like the beard jelly works just as good as making your hair soft, but I feel like this definitely continues keeping your hair feeling healthy, so I can recommend this as well. Not too much to say on it other than the fact that it doesn't come off as drying. It actually feels nourishing and leaves your hair feeling soft. There's some beard conditioners and stuff I've used, they leave your hair feeling dry afterwards, and it's weird. This definitely does stay in tune with the whole entire Bossman beard line, in that the products are nourishing and they make your beard hair feel really, really nice. And then there's the beard, hair, and body soap. I believe they only offer this in 1 scent right now. The scent to me is kind of like a patchouli earthy scent. It says oats, shea, cocoa, and coconut. And it says you can wash your beard wash and moisturizer, body wash and moisturizing lather, hair shampoo, and shaving lather. And it has sunflower oils, coconut, palm, and safflower, oats, cocoa powder, plantain leaf powder, charcoal, shea butter, virgin coconut oil, rosemary extract. Essential scents are the geranium, lavender, patchouli, and clove, which is pretty kind of close to their magic scent, kind of. But anyways, I think that this works really well too. I have another bar that's in the shower right now. It smells good. This is the only thing you can't get unscented, so if you don't want, you know, scented stuff, you're really against the scents, then you can definitely they have another set that's just like, I think it's the jelly, the balm, and the conditioner. I think you can get that by itself too. So anyways, overall, I was really impressed with the the Bossman beard products as a whole. All of them worked really good as conditioning, and they kept my beard feeling really soft, easy to manage with, and definitely, like I said, my beard was super coarse and super gross feeling once I moved to Cleveland. It was just really dried out, and ever since I've been using this stuff, it's been really nice. I've had a really good time with it. So anyways, like I said, the jelly I can give a 5 out of 5. The rest of the stuff I can definitely say goes in line with it. I'm not going to rate each one, but they're all, you know, in the upper 4s. So anyways, if you have any other questions, let me know. If you guys have tried this, let me know. Let me know what your favorite scent is, and hope you have a good one.